Hi, good day. My name is Jiu. Some people they address me as Henry Jiu. I'm the GM of Siang Heng Plastic Ware Sdn. Basically, what our company is doing is that we are the manufacturer of household plastic product and industrial plastic product, plus furniture plastic products as well. Our company, we have 5 plants. We are situated in Paribunta, 4 plants, and 1 plant is situated in Nibong Tebal. So plant 1 is the key plant that we do most of our household manufacturing. Plant 2, we manufacture basically industrial plastic product. YGL will be able to provide the right platform to cater for the manufacturing company like us to be able to control the company rightfully from starting to even end, from PR, purchase requisition, purchase order, purchase invoice to even to AP. And that is the buying part. The selling part, same thing. We have the sales order. From sales order, how do we able to issue the picking list, from picking list to delivery order, and ultimately to sales invoice, and which will be taking up to accounts receivable. So all those is working well. So again, based on the mix of customer that we have basically 2 big group of customer, hypermarket and non-hypermarket. So the requirement is basically different. So we work very closely with YGL, and they basically customize for us what is required to be able to control rightfully. Every time they key in a sales order, the system will be able to prompt you whether we are selling below lowest price and so on. So these are some of the key things that YGL system will be able to provide us. I would say that all in all, based on my 30 years experience, I've been consultant to a few ERP software myself previously, and my hands-on experience with other ERP. I dare to say that YGL is one of the best that I have seen. Not only the system, again, the people behind the scene. Every time when there's a problem that my people who in charge of that bring up to them, they will be able to come back to us. Sometimes, yes, if I were to tell you that the system sometimes no bugs, you will tell me that I will cite YGL. But I dare to say every system so far what I've seen, they have a little bit of problem. But the back-end support that I have been dealing with, they understand their system well, and they will be able to tell you rightfully. Sometimes it's because of the setting, the flow setting, or sometimes some of the switches that have not been turned on and off rightfully, or even some of the indexing and so on. When it realized, I believe we will work very closely again with YGL to take on this and to streamline the way they manage their raw materials, their machine control, or even I'm looking into working with YGL to consolidate my HR system so that we have a more consolidation of costing in terms of labor cost, which I think YGL will be able to do a better job in that manner.